Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Start with a bold, relatable problem, not "hello guys." Have you ever known all the grammar rules, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank? You're not alone. The real problem isn't your vocabulary. It's that you're still thinking in your own language and translating it into English. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that, and how to start thinking in English, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Monsieur Mina, and I help English learners speak more naturally and confidently, without memorizing endless grammar rules. On this channel, we focus on real, practical English you can use every day. In this video, you'll learn why translating in your head is slowing you down. 3 simple techniques to think directly in English. A daily practice routine you can start today. Bonus, how graded readers can train your brain to think in English automatically. Stick around till the end, because tip number 3 is the one most learners skip, and it's the most powerful one. Section 1, Why you translate, and why it's a problem. When you learn English as an adult, your brain naturally relies on your first language. You hear a word, translate it, form the sentence in your head, translate it back, and then speak. That extra step is why you hesitate, pause, and feel slow. Fluent speakers don't do this. They connect the English word directly to the idea, not to a word in their own language. Practical example. For example, when a fluent speaker sees a cup of coffee, they think coffee, not their native word for it, then translate. That direct connection is what we're going to build. Section 2. 3 techniques to think in English. Technique 1. Narrate your day. This is the simplest one. As you go through your day, describe what you're doing, in your head or out loud, in English. I am making coffee. I am opening the door. I am walking to the bus stop. This forces your brain to connect real actions directly to English, without translation. Tip. Start with just 5 minutes a day, then increase. Technique 2. Think in simple English before bed. Right before you sleep, spend 2 to 3 minutes thinking about your day, but only in English. Keep it simple. You don't need perfect grammar. Just practice forming basic thoughts. Today was good. I learned something new. Tomorrow I will. This trains your brain during a relaxed state, which actually helps memory and language processing. Technique 3. Use graded readers. This is the one most learners skip, but it's incredibly powerful. Graded readers are books written specifically for English learners, using simple vocabulary and grammar at your level. Why does this work so well? Because when a book is at the right level, you understand it without translating. You start recognizing patterns, absorbing grammar naturally, and building vocabulary in context, exactly how native speakers learned as children. Start with a graded reader at your level, beginner, elementary, or intermediate. Read a little every day, and don't stop to translate every word. Just keep reading and let your brain absorb the meaning from context. Section 3. Daily practice routine. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow, even with a busy schedule. Morning, 5 minutes narrate your morning routine in English. Midday, 10 to 15 minutes read one chapter of a graded reader. Evening, 5 minutes think through your day in English before bed. Bonus, anytime speak out loud to yourself, describe what you see, what you're doing, or what you're planning. The key isn't doing a lot at once. It's doing a little, every single day. Consistency beats intensity every time. Practical tip for speaking quality. When you speak, don't aim for perfect grammar first. Aim for flow. Fluency comes from speaking smoothly, even with small mistakes. Accuracy improves naturally over time, but only if you're speaking enough to practice it. Section 4. Best practical tips for real speaking quality. Before we finish, here are my top tips for genuinely improving your speaking quality. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute a day. Listen back. You'll notice mistakes you didn't hear while speaking. Shadow native speakers, listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it with the same rhythm and pronunciation. Don't wait until you're ready to speak. Speak now, with the English you have today. Focus on common, everyday sentences, not rare vocabulary. Fluency in daily conversation matters more than knowing complex words. Read out loud, especially from graded readers. This connects reading, pronunciation, and thinking in English all at once. So to recap, stop translating, start thinking in English using these 3 techniques: narrating your day, thinking in English before bed, and reading graded readers daily. Combine that with the practical speaking tips I just shared, and you will notice real improvement within just a few weeks. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more practical English lessons every week. Comment below and tell me, what's the hardest part of speaking English for you? I read every comment, and I might make a video answering your question next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.